Hello everyone and welcome again in our new video. In today's video we are again gonna learn some really awesome and cool tutorials of many stuff or toys or decoration by which we can make it from just paper. Starting off with the first one, as we can see and learn from the video, we are learning how to make a really big lobster which is in a red color, as you can see from the video. Moving on to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy one. We have taken a really beautiful piece of paper, which is a square paper, and then we are converted into a beautiful umbrella. As you can see and learn from the video, we will follow the steps to make it. We will keep following the steps and folding the paper as we are showing in the video accordingly by step to make it a perfect umbrella, which looks really nice and cute. As we can see and learn from the video, it is a really easy one too, and anyone can make it, which is a really big point, or it is a really easy way to make. As we can see and learn from the video, we'll make the umbrella's cloth and then we'll put a stick on it, and as we can see, it is ready. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we are again taking a really beautiful piece of paper which is in a floral print, and then we are following the steps to complete this tutorial. As we can see and learn from the video, we have taken a square piece of paper. You can take any other printed paper. As you can see and learn from the video, we will again take a different piece of paper to make it again a different thing, and as we can see, it is a box which can open and close, which looks really beautiful. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which you can easily understand by seeing how to make a really beautiful fan. As we can see and learn from the video, we will follow the steps accordingly as shown in the video to learn how to make it. Moving forward to the next one, in which we are again using a square shaped paper. As you can see and learn from the video, we will fold the sides of the paper accordingly one by one as shown in the video to make a really beautiful toy. Moving forward to the next one, in which we have cut a paper part which is a really small one, which looks like a leaf, as you can see from the video, and then we are cutting it and giving it some various different texture, as you can see from the video, which looks really beautiful. Moving ahead to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy one. For the beginning, we are using ice cream sticks for this one, as you can see and learn from the video, and then we'll follow the steps accordingly to make it a really beautiful one. And after this, we will place a paper on it to make it a really beautiful fan, as you can see from the video. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, which is a really easy one. We have taken a big sheet of paper. On the paper, we will draw some stems or roots which are hanging, and then we will place some leaves on the drawing which are also made by papers, and then we will follow the steps accordingly as we are showing in the video to complete this one. Moving forward to the next one of today's video, in which we have used a big piece of paper. As we can see from the video, we will follow the steps accordingly one by one to complete it. As we can see from the video, it is a really big piece of paper to make a big phone stand, which is a really easy one. Moving ahead to the next one of today's video, which is also really easy one, we will learn how to make a beautiful star. Thank you for watching the video.